Hey guys, welcome back to a night #1YoungBlood, and today I'm going to be making fluffy slime, and this video is dedicated by my cousin who posted a fluffy slime video 2 days ago, I think, and it would really be great if you guys went and subscribed to his channel. And yeah, so if you like, subscribe, comment, and share this video, then I will do another video. And just comment down #notification #notification squad. Then I'll shout you out in my next video. So let's get into the video. So the first thing that you'll need is glue, shaving cream, lotion, Tide. This is optional, but I'm using this purple gel paint. Yeah, and this really pretty silver glitter. And last but not least, you need a bowl or plate to make your slime in, and a mixing tool. I'm just using a spoon. So first, what you'll need is pour in how much glue you would like. I'm gonna be filling up almost a whole container. So I'm just gonna pour all of that in there. So satisfying. Okay, so that's all. Poured in that much. About halfway. And then I'm going to be pouring in my lotion. I'm just gonna add in a lot because I want this to be really stretchy. That was quite a lot. I don't know if you guys can see, it's white as well. It's at the top a little. And then you just want to get your mixing tool and start mixing that up. So once you're done mixing all that up, here it's really creamy now. You just want to go ahead and add in as much shaving cream as you want. The more shaving cream, the more fluffy it is. So I'm just gonna add in a lot. So I added in quite a lot, but I'm sort of running out of shaving cream, so that's why it makes that noise. Just gonna go ahead and mix that in. And so now it's time to add in your coloring. Just gonna add a little bit of purple because it's really jelly. Just gonna use the tip of my spoon. This part. Added in that much. I don't know if you guys could see the purple, but I just added in a chunk of purple. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix all this. I don't know if you guys can see because my lighting is like horrible right now, but it is sort of turning into a purplish color. I don't want it to be too dark purple because that would be almost the whole container. So I'm just gonna add in a little bit more. And I will get back to you guys later. So it's done mixing. It's done mixing up. It did get a little bit darker, and so I'm just gonna add in my Tide. I just like pouring it in the cup and then adding it in slowly. If you guys can see that. And you just want to mix really, really well.
How much money do you have?
So here it is really forming well. And I will show you guys the slime when it is done. So the slime is done now. It is really fluffy, stretchy, and pokey. and I will do an ASMR on it right now. So here's the slime.
No, that's not slime.
So please like, subscribe, comment, and
You don't even have a
share.
YouTube channel.
So yeah, and sorry for the any background noises. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.